12:18 on your Tuesday afternoon. More than 90 million are on alert for the extreme heat in the Midwest and the Northeast, all before summer even officially begins on Thursday. Heat alerts have been issued for 19 states from Iowa to Maine. ABC's Alexis Christoforous reports it could be the hottest stretch of weather in parts of the U.S. in 3 decades.
More than 90 million are on alert for extreme heat in the Midwest and the Northeast.
It is exceptionally hot, even for this area here in this part of June.
A sweltering heat dome parking over much of the nation. Detroit hit 95 Monday. In Cincinnati, a feels-like temperature of 104. New York City opening 500 cooling centers, with some schools in the region letting classes out early this week.
When you have this hot, humid weather, slight exertions make it really difficult on these kids, and they're little.
With extreme heat regarded as the #1 killer in weather, experts urge people to stay inside with air conditioning and keep hydrated.
I'm big water drinkers. I was a football coach before, so I'm very familiar with signs of heat stroke.
Meanwhile, out west, dry conditions and gusty winds aided wildfires are still raging. At least 2 homes burned in Sonoma County, where hundreds have had to evacuate. And in other parts of Northern California, people are being urged to stay indoors because of poor air quality.
Usually the smoke is the thickest, not where the fire is.
And in New Mexico, more than 7,000 people told to evacuate because of this fire just south of Albuquerque. Forecasters say there is the potential for record highs, temperatures 10 to 30 degrees above average for multiple cities. Boston's mayor has declared a 3-day weather state of emergency, and New York's governor activating the National Guard to provide assistance during this prolonged heat wave. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.